Hi, my love. My name is Irene, and you are welcome to Hair Talk with Irene. If you are confused about your hair, frustrated with hair breakage, or you are very confused about what product to use for your hair, you are not alone. So over here, we talk about hair care. We break down everything that has to do with natural hair, relaxed hair, product recommendations and reviews, and the best product that you can use for your hair type. So if you are confused, just get comfortable and let's figure out your hair together, okay? So let me tell you something that can save you a whole lot of money and frustration. Trust me, sometimes you might find out that the product that you are using on your hair is not actually bad. But guess what? It might be that the product is actually bad for your hair type. So the moment you understand this particular thing, the better for you. You would save yourself a whole lot of stress, you save yourself a whole lot of money, you also save yourself a whole lot of you will not be frustrated anymore. Okay, so now let us break this down. I'm talking about hair porosity. Hair porosity simply means how well your hair absorbs moisture. Some kinds of hair don't absorb moisture as easy as some others do. We have some other types of hair that also loses moisture very fast. They can absorb it fast and they lose it very fast. Some are slow to absorb those moisture, but at the end of the day, they are able to retain the moisture for a longer period of time. Okay, it is like one of the basic things that you need to understand when it comes to your hair care journey. Okay, so now we have like three hair types. Let me just take you through each and every one of them. So just sit with me and try to get the explanation. Okay, so let's go through them like we are gisting. Okay, so the first hair type that we have is the low porosity hair. This type of hair, they actually struggle to absorb moisture. Once you apply products on your hair, you'll find out that the product is just sitting on your hair. Like it's not, your hair is not actually absorbing the moisture that you are applying on that hair. Now, what are the signs? One of the signs is that when you spray water on your hair, you see that water sits on your hair. Like it doesn't sink into your hair, does not absorb that water as fast as it should. Another sign is that when you apply products on your hair, you notice that those products are just sitting on your hair. One other sign that you look out for is when you notice that it takes a very long period of time before water gets into your hair. Like when you pour that water on your hair, you just see it sits in your hair, and then it takes a longer time before your hair absorbs that water. So the next type of hair we are going to talk about is high porosity hair. The high porosity hair. Now, this type of hair is just like the opposite of the low porosity hair. This type of hair, what it does is absorbs moisture easily, but guess what? It loses it as fast, like it loses it very fast. So when you apply when you pour water on the hair, you see that that hair absorbs the water very fast, but before you know it, that hair has already, like, it has gotten dry. You don't need to wait for a long period of time before your hair dries out. So one of the signs you're going to look out for to know if you have a high porosity hair is if your hair dries out very fast. Okay, another sign you look out for is if your hair dries out fast after it's been moisturized. And then the third sign you look out for is that it's very prone to freeze and breakage. Like it's very easy for it to get dry, and that actually makes it to break easily. So the third one, the third type, hair type we're going to be looking at is the medium porosity. Now this medium porosity, this one now, it absorbs water normally, then the water sits in, like, it sits in for a longer period of time. It's just somewhere in between. So we still have people that fall in between. They don't have a high porosity hair, they don't have the low porosity hair. So they are just in between. So those people, now you can classify your hair type under the medium porosity hair type. Okay? Okay, so now there are different ways that you can actually test your hair porosity to know where you fall. Do you have a high porosity hair or low porosity hair, or you are in between? So now we have different ways you can test for that. One of the ways you can test for that is using the water test. Now you get a bowl of clean water, you take a strand of clean hair, make sure your hair is clean, there is no product on it. You take out one strand, drop it in that bowl of water, wait for some minutes. If you notice that that hair is floating, then you would know that you have a low porosity hair. If it sinks into the water deeply, sinks into the water fast, you know you have a high porosity hair. But if it's somewhere in the middle of the water, then you know that you have a medium hair porosity. It's very, very simple as ABC. So you can just give that a trial and to find out what um what type of hair you have. Okay, now another method that you can use is by feeling your hair. So after moisturizing your hair, if you feel your hair, does your hair feel soft for a longer period of time? That will tell you something. Does your hair feel dry under a short period of time, or is just in between? So that particular test, which is the feel test, which is method 2, would tell you a whole lot about, your hair type. And the third method you can use is the absorption test. Now, when you moisturize your hair, you look out for these signs. Does your hair absorb the moisture easily, or does it dry out quickly? That one will also tell you what hair type, like where you fall. All right. So now you'll be asking yourself, why does all of this matter? Like, why am I even doing all of these things? Does it really matter? Nah, it matters. Let me tell you why. Number one is that if you don't do all of this, number one, you will not be spending money on products anyhow. You will not be using products that, as you're using the product, you'll be asking yourself, this thing no they work? Like, do you get? You'll be asking yourself, is this thing not working? What am I doing wrong? Meanwhile, you're using the wrong product for the wrong hair type. That's what is happening. Number two, you'll be very frustrated. So if you don't want to be frustrated, if you want your hair care journey to be a smooth one, this particular topic is something that you cannot do without. It's like one of the basics before say you want to take your hair care journey very seriously. But once you understand everything, once you understand your hair type, you would not waste money on products anymore. Like, everything will just go smoothly. You begin to choose the right product for your hair type, and then frustration is out of the picture. So now I know the next thing in your mind will be, so Irene, now that I know all of this, what's the next thing? Like, what kind of products now will I use? Which type of products will I use for my hair type? Let's assume you've done all of the things that I've said earlier, and you are now like, okay, in fact, I don't even know. So which products, which type of leave-in conditioner now will I buy for my high porosity hair? Which type of oil will I use on my low porosity hair? If you are confused about that, just do like this. I got you. So right now, if your hair falls under the low porosity hair type, the major thing that you'll be looking out for, your main aim, your main goal, is to find out how you can make moisture to penetrate into your hair. Remember, I said for low porosity hair, it's very difficult for moisture to get into it. Product just sit on your hair, water just sits on your hair. So now your main aim is to see how you can use products that will help your hair to make moisture get into your hair. Okay, so now products that you will use, the kind of products you'll be looking out for are products that are lightweight. So you are looking out for products that are lightweight, leave-in conditioners that are water-based, and you are looking out for lightweight oils. Now, these are what you'll be looking out for in the products that you'll be buying. Now, if you have a high porosity hair, your own focus is different. Your own concern is, how can you make sure that this moisture that is getting into my hair, I want to seal it in. I don't want the moisture to go off quickly. I just want to lock in that moisture. Now, for your own kind of hair, so what you will need is a creamy moisturizer. You need a creamy moisturizer. You need a heavy leave-in conditioner. So any leave-in conditioner that you are looking for has to be something heavy. And then you can also go for hair butters. Those hair butters and cream is actually what will help you to seal in those moisture. Okay, and in this type of hair, this is actually where sealing in moisture becomes very, very important. Like the process, the way you apply your product. So when you are done applying your moisturizers, your leave-in conditioner, it is very, very important for you. This is where sealing in moisture comes in. This is where you use your hair butters and your creams to, lock in that moisture so that it doesn't go off quickly. Okay, I don't want you to, start feeling stressed immediately, like, "Ah, I have to get everything right now, right now as they hot." Nah, you don't need to get everything right now, but just understand the basics. And hair care is just all about trying to learn your hair and learn what works for your hair. So over time you are learning and learning and unlearning. Okay, so just take it easy with yourself. Take it easy, don't flog yourself over anything. Just make sure that you are trying to see what works for your hair, and you do exactly what works for your hair, because we are all different, and what works for me cannot work for you or might not work for you. So just try to learn how your hair works, and then over time you see that you'll be getting better at your hair care game. All right, start observing your hair, pay attention to your hair, and your hair will tell you exactly what it needs. No long talk. As usual, I want to know, is your hair a high porosity hair, low porosity hair, or a medium porosity hair? I just want you to leave a comment in the comment section below, high or low. Thank you so much for watching till the end of this video, and don't forget to subscribe to Hair Talk with Irene so that you can get many more of videos like this from us. And remember, your hair is not difficult. What it actually needs is just understanding. All right, gotcha.